called plug and play smart contracts. So this is a partnership with Anesthesia Labs that we're running. Anesthesia Lab is planning to release a library of open source contracts. I think one thing that maybe we're missing right now on Cardano is easy and accessible open source contracts that have been audited and are designed in a very standardized way. Very often projects tend to rebuild the same contracts over and over again because many of those contracts are not open source. And so we want to really open up these contracts to the public and make it easy to have basic smart contracts that anyone can use in the application. And they're partnering with us with Maestro, so we are helping them creating what we call hosted or managed smart contracts. So through just simple, friendly APIs, you're able to interact with those contracts end to end, and we basically handle everything under the hood, from building the transactions to selecting the TXOs and doing the different state transition of your contract. And so that basically allows you to integrate Web3 functionality into a simple Web2 website without needing to know anything about Plutus or even the Cardano node. It abstracts away all the complexity of managing those contracts and really lower the barrier to entry for developers that want to integrate those contracts into their website. And I'll end it here. Yeah. Thank you, Philip.